What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Steve, Putnworksteve, back with another video, and I thank y'all so much for viewing this channel. This video was on how I keep my waves right. I'm gonna show you how I wash my hair. I'm gonna show you how to take care, getting the little hairs under your neck, your beard, everything, and lining yourself up, and what I use to keep my hair shiny and moist, so that way my waves can be popping. You get what I'm saying? Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. All right, let's get to it. All right, so for those that wouldn't know what I use to get the little hairs under my neck, get my beard, line it up, I use right here the Andes clippers right here. Y'all can get it. I forgot how much it costs, but I did customize mine, so y'all can make sure you get that. Make sure you get none of that. You wanna line it up and get under that. And you want to make sure you go ahead and line all this up, because you want to get like almost like that Viking look. That's what you want to get. And you want to get over here too as well. Now, I've been working on clearing my neck, and the reason why is because my neck is just, I don't know, it's been black. Maybe I need to exfoliate more, and maybe I'll do a video on that soon. But just want to go ahead and just line this up. Fellas, don't matter if you're in a relationship, don't matter if you are single, make sure you are always taking care of yourself, because that is the #1 thing you have to do. You make sure you take care of yourself all the time. The ladies is looking at you. I'm telling you this right now. The girl that you are with right now, even if you are married, your wife, she is looking at you. If you have kids, if you had a son, if you're going to work, everybody is looking at you. Why? Because your preference is everything. You got to be presentable at all times. Even if you're going to the gym, look good. You want to make sure that you look good for yourself. So make sure you go ahead and take care of yourself. These are the things that you got to do in order to become successful in this world. Now you see all the whiteness all right here, all the whiteness, that's from the clippers. But don't worry, we're gonna go ahead and exfoliate. That's something that you always wanna do after you get done shaping yourself up. You always wanna do that. Now me, I am working on that. I got a few old hair bumps under my neck, but don't worry, we're gonna change all that soon. I'm gonna show y'all what I use to exfoliate under my nail. Next thing, you want to go ahead and shape your line up. Don't mess it up. Now, some of you guys, your beard don't connect, but don't worry, we're gonna get into that soon, and I'll let you know what you need to use to grow the hairs on your face, so that way you can be looking all good. For the ladies out there, look good for your lady, look good for yourself every time you look in that mirror waking up in the morning. You get what I'm saying? I'll show you what you need to use. Don't worry, I got you. Right here is where my line is at, and I have new growth. Now fellas, if you want to be able to rise the line up, all you gotta do is go right ahead. And bring it up just a little bit. You may not be able to see it. Just a little bit. But if you want to just keep that original line that you have, bring it down to where it's at, so that way everything can connect. All right, so let's talk about exfoliation. You want to use this right here, and this is the Micro Deliver Exfoliation Facial Wash, but I'm going to use this only under my neck because under my neck it just needs, like, go ahead, y'all can crack all the jokes all y'all want. Go ahead, crack all the jokes. I do not care. Yes, it's been black. I've been working on there, and that's just because of the beard, me not scrubbing on there. But look, we're gonna change all that. We're changing all that right now today, and we're gonna show you guys that when you are shaping up under your neck, when you're doing your beard and everything like that, make sure you go ahead and exfoliate, man. So, you know, we're gonna try this out. Tell me what y'all think. If y'all got anything else, and you know, that y'all use, let me know. If those that don't know what y'all doing, go ahead and go get this. Oh yeah, fella, even if you living with your girl, use her exfoliate stuff too. Ladies know what they doing. I got some exfoliation gloves right here, and we're gonna use these right here to get up under all this neck. But first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and wet my gloves. I think that's wet enough, right? Put this on here just like this. And then you just want to get under there. And you just want to get in there and rub it in and exfoliate and do the best you can. And I say try to do this at least every other day. Sometimes you want to let your skin to develop, grow. You don't want to mess it up. Right now, you're just breaking it up, loosening it up, trying to get all the dirt out of there. A lot of y'all men out there just got black under your neck. It's not good like me, but mine's clearing up. You just want to make sure you exfoliate. I know y'all probably think I'm crazy, right? Just doing all this and talking to y'all like this. After all that, go ahead and rinse it off, and then we're gonna go right ahead and get to the washing the hair and the beard. So I know I look crazy right now, but first thing, we're gonna go ahead and wet the beard and the hair. Doesn't matter what type of shampoo, conditioner you have right about now. If your hair needs a wash, it needs a wash. You just need to do it. Right now I have Men's Dove, which is the 1 and 2, where it has a shampoo and conditioner in here, but I always use this just for like shampoo. I never like use it for conditioner, and then afterwards I let it sit and then, like, you know, rinse my hair out. But for now, just for today, you know, for this video, I'm gonna show you guys, you know, just how to wash your hair properly when you have the waves in your hair. Now, this is your 360 pattern right here. You want to get in that beard. You want to be able to get in that beard. I look crazy, don't I? After that, you want to go ahead and wipe the excess off on your hands, and then you want to put your wave cap on, and you want to get in the shower. So I'm going to go ahead and get in the shower, take my shower, nice shower. Then after when I get out, I'll be right back to talk to y'all. Be right back. Now we got out of the shower. What I'm gonna put in my hair is Jamaican black castor oil. This is what I put in my beard. This is what I put in my hair. And I guarantee if you put this in your hair, well, I would say, you know, for black guys, you know, for African American men, use this in your hair as soon as you got the shower. You don't want to put all that gook, the pomade in your hair first. Put it all in your beard, so that way your stuff can be shining. All you need is a little bit, or, you know, enough to put in your hair. After that, brush your hair.
You did it again.
Next, you want to make sure you comb that beard out. You don't want to be all poofed up. Put your wave cap on. I say also, this is it. This is all I do for my hair. Just make sure, you know, you go right ahead. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think. Got under my neck, got my beard, got my line up. Make sure I washed my hair. I did everything I had to do. And I just showed y'all my little thing that I do just to make sure I look good during this quarantine and making sure I look good, you know.
For Miss Putnwork. Make sure you look good for Miss Putnwork. 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 What do we do with Putnwork?
She even know I'm recording. This is not for you. And I look good for my girl. And fellas, you gotta.
Exactly.
I gotta look good for my girl. You got her in the background. No, you don't. Stop. I'm working right now. Fellas, make sure y'all look good for y'all girl. Make sure if you are single, look good for the ladies out there so that way you can go ahead and try to pick you up something nice. And you know, for those that are going back to school, anything like that, this is something for you if you got the beard. But make sure you take care of your hair. With that being said, I like every last one of y'all. Appreciate y'all. Thank y'all so much. These guys are enjoyable and I appreciate y'all so much. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe too.